Done a bit on disease management. So this was a project on a 𝗟𝗶हि, so site of special scientific interest in southern Scotland, looking at juniper dieback. So we used a combination of RGB and near infrared to obtain data on the site and allow us to produce an NDVI, so Normalised Differential Vegetation Index, to really kind of pop out visually the areas of dead vegetation, and then through further analysis we could really map the areas of juniper dieback, and that would allow monitoring and assessment of impact over time. So that was at the time a Scottish Natural Heritage project, which was a good one to work on.